Hey, it's Chris over at Empire Hyundai of New Rochelle, and I'm here with you today to show you the brand new 2023 Hyundai IONIQ 6. All right, guys, so today let me show you some of the nice features this beautiful car has to offer. Of course, it is remote start. As you know, most of our vehicles are remote start. Of course, it has the automatic folding mirrors, which comes very convenient, especially if you're in the city. I don't know if you saw down below, the flaps do open up for more aerodynamic features, of course, with the vehicle. You have the 20-inch chrome two-tone alloy that you'll get with the limited edition. The car is electric, of course, so it's very, very quiet. You can't even tell that the car is started, so just make sure you're aware. So what Hyundai is offering is 2 years of complimentary charging for 30 minutes a day. Now, of course, with the Electrify America app, you can check where there is one in your area, of course. This car will charge at a supercharge station within 18 minutes, up to 80%, which is fantastic. So, of course, if you're interested in this beautiful vehicle, come see me, Chris, down at Empire Hyundai of New Rochelle.